If you were driving a diesel rig, maybe a Dodge, Ford, or VW, and you have lost that exhaust braking power or your turbo feels lazy, a P0479 code might be the culprit. This code stands for Exhaust Pressure Control Valve A Intermittent. This is specific to diesel engines and the systems they use to manage back pressure. You see, your truck uses a valve in the exhaust stream to create back pressure. This helps warm up the engine on those freezing mornings, and more importantly for towing, it provides exhaust braking to slow you down without burning up your actual brakes. The code means the signal from the exhaust pressure sensor is jumping around or does not match what the computer expects compared to the intake pressure. It is an intermittent signal, which can be super frustrating because it might happen one minute and be fine the next. Symptoms are usually a lack of power, the engine taking forever to warm up, or that check engine light glaring at you. The causes? Well, before you buy a new sensor, there is one very common issue you need to check. There is a small tube that connects the exhaust manifold to the pressure sensor. Because it carries exhaust gas, it is prone to getting completely clogged with soot and carbon. If that tube is blocked, the sensor cannot read the pressure, plain and simple. So your first move is to locate that sensor and disconnect the tube. Try to blow through it. If you cannot, get a piece of wire or a coat hanger and rod it out until it's clear. You'd be amazed how often a simple clog throws this code. While you're there, look at the electrical connector. Diesel engines vibrate a lot, and wires can rub against metal parts, causing shorts or open circuits. Check for any melted plastic or bare wires. If the tube is clear and the wiring looks solid, you might need to test the sensor itself. You should have a 5-volt reference signal going to it. If you have 12 volts there, you have a short to power. If you have 0, you have a broken wire. But honestly, start with the cleaning. Clearing out that soot blockage in the tube is free, easy, and fixes this problem more often than you would think. Save your money on parts until you have done the dirty work.